Hello and welcome to this video on wound healing. When the skin is injured, the body begins a coordinated process to repair the damage. This process happens over time and follows a series of overlapping phases. Immediately after injury, the body works to stop the bleeding. In this first stage, called the hemostasis phase, blood vessels constrict and a clot forms to seal the wound and protect it from infection. Next, the area becomes inflamed. During the inflammatory phase, blood vessels widen, allowing white blood cells to enter the wound and remove damaged cells and pathogens. This stage often appears as redness, swelling, and warmth. As the wound begins to repair, new tissue starts to form. In the proliferative phase, new skin cells develop, tiny blood vessels grow into the area, and collagen is produced to strengthen the wound. At the same time, the edges of the wound begin to pull together, reducing its size. Over time, the wound continues to strengthen. In the maturation phase, collagen fibers reorganize and the tissue becomes more stable, forming a scar. The appearance of the scar gradually changes as the tissue remodels. For example, a small cut may first bleed, then become red and swollen, followed by the growth of new tissue, and eventually heal with a faint scar. In summary, wound healing is a continuous process where the body stops bleeding, cleans the wound, rebuilds tissue, and strengthens the repaired area over time.